discussed about how to apply for different certificates, that is provisional certificate, migration certificate, your transcript certificate. So how to apply for these different certificates in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, that we have already seen. The link is given in the description box, you can check it. In that video, I have already shown you the complete process along with the documents which are required and the fees which you have to pay it by online mode, that also mentioned in that video. The most important step of that processes is to do the online payment by using SBI Collect, that I am going to show you today. So here in the Chrome browser, you have to enter onlinesbi.com, that is the official website of SBI. On this official website of SBI, you will receive the option that is SB Collect. Just click over here in this SB Collect option. Here terms and conditions are given. You have to select this checkbox that I have read and accepted the terms and conditions and click on proceed. Here state of corporate or institution that you have to select. That means your institute is located in which state, that state you have to select over here. Here I am selecting Maharashtra because our institution is located in Maharashtra. Next you have to select the type of corporate or institution. Here I am selecting educational institutions. Click on go. Here you have to select the educational institution name. So here name of your institute that is not given in this list. You have to select the name of university to which your college is affiliated. Since our college is affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, I am selecting this option and then click on submit. Here you have to select the payment category. So different payment categories are given. If you want to apply for transcript certificate, then you have to select here transcript fees. If you want to pay the fees for provisional certificate, then select here provisional fees. If you are going to apply for migration certificate, then select here migration fees. So according to your need, you can select here your type of payment category. Here I am selecting provisional fees. So this form will get opened up. In this form, you have to provide the details for your payment. That is your first name, middle name, last name, that is your surname, enrollment number you have to enter. You have to enter your complete PRN number or your enrollment number. Course is, you have to enter. Year of passing you have to mention. Semester. Mobile number you have to enter over here. Here you have to enter your email ID. In particular, you can mention the name of certificate for which you are paying the fees. Here I am entering provisional degree certificate. The fees is already given over here, that is 100 rupees. In the remark, you can add some additional information if you want to give. Then that information you can enter it over here in the remark section. Again, here you have to enter your name. Date of birth you have to select. Mobile number. Email ID. Here the text is given in this box. That text you have to enter here. Then click on submit. Here all the details will be displayed. Just check it once. Category provisional fees, first name, middle name, last name, that you have to check. enrollment number, then course year semester, your mobile number, email ID. In particular, the name of degree certificate is we have entered, so that is also displayed over here. Your fees. So all this information will be displayed over here. You have to just check it once. Just check this information, whatever you have filled, and then click on confirm. So here different options are given for online payment. You can do the payment by using internet banking. So here I am selecting the State Bank of India. So here I have logged into my SBI internet banking. The details will be displayed over here again. You have to just click on this confirm. Again the details will be displayed over here. Just click on confirm. The password will be received on your registered mobile number. Enter the received password over here. It is total 8-number password that you have to enter and click on confirm. So in this way the receipt will get generated. You have to download this receipt. So here the option is given, click here to view or download the e-receipt. So you can download it over here. Or you can make it print. So here the option is given to save your receipt. So I am going to save this receipt now. So in this way you can save the receipt. You have to mail this receipt during your processing along with your no due certificate and other mark sheets. You have to attach this receipt also. So the complete process is I have already posted on my channel. Just go through that. The link is given in the description box. You can check it. Accordingly, you have to mail your documents. After that, you will receive your required certificate within a specified period of time. So that time is also given in that previous video, that after how much working days you will receive that certificate from university. That is also I have shown you. I hope you all have understood the process of online payment by using SBI Collect. So do it and apply for the different certificates in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. For any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this channel.